Feeling stuck on a question? Need some extra explanation? Or even some help on your schoolwork? If only there was someone who could help out. Wait a minute, check out this cool new feature on Pandai. Ask Tutor. Specially launched for Pandai Premium users, Ask Pandai Tutor is a live chat function worked by tutors who are always ready to help. Feel free to access and ask our tutors about anything at all. You could ask about a hard question on Pandai, a phrase you don't understand, a kangaroo maths problem, or even a piece of homework you can't seem to solve. Ask away in either Bahasa Melayu or English. Our tutors are happy to help. We hope this feature helps and gives you the best learning experience. Download Pandai now and subscribe to Premium to enjoy this feature. For more information, log on to www.pandai.org or stay updated by following us on our social media.